Meghalaya legislator of South Shillong constituency Sanbor Shullai today handed over cash of 2,000 rupees to each of the 200 families belonging to the economically weaker section of his constituency. Speaking on the occasion, Shullai said that he has given cash money to 4 localities comprising 1,000 families of South Shillong constituency. The MLA also said that when the COVID-19 situation improves, he will also do the same to the other 10 localities and the help will be utilized from the Special Urban Works Program.
Because as you are all aware that there are a government and in Delhi, the BJP under the Prime Ministership of Narendra Modi, he has passed an order to provide essential commodities, food items, even to those genuine citizen of India who doesn't possess ration card, and it's all distributed to each and every house free of cost. And this time we have discussed with our Honorable Chief Minister to cut, because it's a very important crucial time for our people in our state, especially those who hail from the low-income background or the BPL family, who are badly affected by the imposition of lockdown due to the second wave of the outbreak of the second wave of the COVID-19. And 50 lakh has been earmarked, and last month, based on this notification, I along with the members of the MCIC and of Shillong, we have convened a meeting comprises of all the Dorbar Shillong, the village council, the societies, the NGOs, which falls under my constituency, the 19th of Shillong Assam Club, and unanimously we have taken a decision and we have given a liberty to the respective Dorbar Shillong and its CCMT members to select the genuine beneficiaries who are badly affected by the lockdown. That is those people who are badly affected are those taxi drivers, hawkers, daily wages, domestic workers, daily laborers, physically handicapped, then the porters, the gajus, and those street vendors, the hawkers, where their shop and establishment and their work place has been shut down for 2 months by the imposition of various SOP of the government. So we have thoroughly discussed with the Dorbar Shillong and its CCMT members to see and to identify door to door at your respective locality only those genuine people who are eligible to get this kind of scheme. This scheme, in the notification there is no guideline which has been given the liberty to the MLA as the chairman of the committee and the member of the implementation committee to choose at their own discretion to see what we have to extend to the affected people. For essential commodities, rice, food, dal, chini, everyone, every house you are getting, you are giving free of cost from the central government, from the state government, even from the Dorbar Shillong. They have contributed. The church committee, the puja committee, the monastery committee, the temple committee, the Gurdwara committee, and even various NGOs they have come forward.